Iminungkahi ni Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano sa unang araw ng paglilitis kay Vice President Sara Duterte na kung maaari ay sumulat ang Senado sa Sandigan Bayan upang hilingin na payagang makadalo at makasubaybay sa impeachment trial sina Senator Rodante Marcoleta at Senator Jinggoy Estrada na kasalukuyang nasa ilalim ng kustodiya ng batas.
Since we already stated as a court that we will take literally Section 3, subparagraph 6 of Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution that no person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of all members of the Senate. May I ask the members of this court through the presiding justice to consider, not today, I have a proposal, but not today, but to consider communication with the Sandigan Bayan for the attendance of Senator Dante Marcoleta and Senator Jinggoy Estrada. So we want them to be able to participate and observe the witnesses as senator judges here.
Sa kanyang manifestation, iginiit ni Senator Judge Cayetano na dahil kailangan ng 2/3 na boto para sa conviction, ang hindi pagboto ng dalawang senador ay otomatikong bibilangin bilang boto para sa acquittal.
So I'd like to formally ask, Mr. President, that this court consider that. I will submit whether you'd rather have a caucus or a in-camera discussion, or if you want us all to submit our legal opinion. I wouldn't also mind the prosecution and defense weighing in. But considering that if they do not attend and they are here, Mr. President, considering that if they do not attend at all and cannot vote, their vote will be equal to a acquittal. And as we said from the start, we want a fair and we want justice.
Sinang-ayunan naman ni Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo ang naging manifestation ng kapwa niya senador. Ayon kay Senator Raffy, mas mainam sana kung mapapayagan ang dalawang senador na makapag-monitor ng impeachment trial kahit sa pamamagitan ng TV monitor. Sa kabila ng mga ito, tiniyak naman ni Presiding Senator Judge Francis Cheese Escudero na kukonsultahin niya ang senator judges ukol sa usaping nabanggit.
The Chair notes the comments and requests of Senator Judge Cayetano and will consult the Senator judges regarding this matter and shall coordinate with his office with respect to his requests pertaining to Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Senator Marcoleta, including whether or not we will enlist the comment on and position of the parties to this case. So ordered.
Nauna nang ipinaliwanag ni Senator Escudero ang rules on conviction kung saan binigyang diin niya na kailangan ng 2/3 vote o hindi bababa sa 16 na senador para mapatunayang nagkasala ang opisyal na nililitis. Jed Neresina, humahataw sa balita ngayon.